where you turn around here, monkeys. This is the monkey sanctuary in Bali. They're making some interesting sounds. These two are cleaning each other. They like to clean each other. What are those sounds? What are those sounds? What are those sounds? Little guy just chilling. Little guy just chilling. This guy's scratching himself. I don't know what the sound is making, but it's adorable.